this another shot?
Toothless, it'll be fine.
Ready? This is amazing! No longer amazing! Toothless! Oh no! Oh! Woo! Well, that really came out of nowhere.
I'm not a demon. See, I'm just a guy here to rescue these dragons. Fire! Dragon tails! Dragons! Oh, I know what demon mercy, what no human legs. I'm kidding. Get a load of me! Shut your mouth and run me like a river. Shut your mouth, baby, stand and deliver. Yes, will make me a sinner.
If you so much as touch us, pick up this its air to the growing bird, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen. Unless you let us go, right now, we will blast this night and blow your entire fleet of ships to splinters.
This heavy guy seems to be the greatest dragon fighter ever.
Treat me like what this. Don't leave me dirty. Love on me. Love on
Because I want someone else's la 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 lunch. No, you guys are the best I've got.
Here we go back. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
can't handle the uber instincts of my uber autism. Observe